Hello everybody, it is Adam from SoGoSurvey, and today I'm here to talk about the data dive into Corona chaos. So, without further ado, let's data dive right into it. How can accurate numbers help you with the right statistics? Well, you can count on numbers. We rely heavily on numbers to unlock the mysteries of the universe, whether it's equations or measurements or statistics. The invention of zero as a numerical symbol and the absence of amount is one of the greatest inventions in history. There are studies devoted to the philosophy of numbers, like mathematics and number theory. Entire computer languages, binary components, and codes speak the language of numbers. Numbers are everywhere and they are behind everything. They rule our lives. Without numbers, there would be no clarity or consistency, and we'd be surrounded by discrepancies. I can't even imagine. But what happens when the numbers don't add up? The coronavirus pandemic has significantly impacted all of us, and many of us are glued to the news for the latest updates. With stats rolling out every minute from local news, government agencies, and social media platforms, it's hard to tell which news and numbers to actually trust. So knowing the numbers is important to learn the current case count in your area, how long it will take to flatten the curve, and the economic effect the virus is having. Contradictory or incorrect information kills our ability to identify the truth, and that can create a good amount of anxiety. From the Center for an Informed Public, Emma Spiro and Kate Starbird comment on the spiraling situation of misinformation. Quote, "Historically, a lot of misinformation is a byproduct of the natural response that people have to a disaster event. There's a lot of uncertainty about the impacts of the event and what actions we can take to respond to it. Sharing information is an outlet for many people's anxiety, and it has good intentions, but when there's a crisis, our desires to help can cause an influx of panic, which leads to sharing information that is not rooted in fact." Going behind the numbers, NPR reports that Facebook, who, along with Twitter, have seen a surge of false and harmful statistics. They are relying heavily on a network of 55 fact-checking partners to constantly monitor misinformation. Other organizations like the DCMS and NHS have created task forces to challenge bad information. In the description down below, I will have all these links. We have a helpful article covering many current coronavirus myths, a website that is vetting over 140 sites across the US, the UK, France, Italy, and Germany who are publishing false information, and a few more articles of interest that you should check out. And to wrap things up here, at SoGoSurvey, we understand the critical value of the right statistics and how badly the wrong numbers can skew understanding. You have to find the truth, and sometimes you need to look for the results yourself. SoGoSurvey has partnered with healthcare organizations to support them in finding the right numbers and answers to address the questions presented by this coronavirus crisis. If you want to take advantage of free timely templates available for your use, or you want to inquire about other offers, you can connect with us in the link in the description down below. Better numbers add up to better answers. Challenge the bad information, check the truth, and find the right numbers. If you all would like to read more about Numbers Uncovered, a data dive into Corona chaos, we have a blog about it on our website. Also, please follow us at SoGoSurvey on our various social media platforms down below. You can also reach us at 1-800-646-0520 or email us at support1@sogosurvey.com. Thank you all so much for tuning into this episode. I greatly appreciate it, and I hope you tune into next episode. Thank you all so much. Please stay safe and have a wonderful week.